Hi guys! If you are a traveler and you are planning to travel from Cebu to Bacolod or Bacolod to Cebu, you should try light ferries. There are a lot of reasons why you should try light ferries and I will show you guys each and every one of them. By the way guys, ang schedule ng departure time nila is 11:30 p.m., 2 a.m., 4:30 a.m., 5 a.m., 7 a.m., 9:40 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., and 4 p.m. And of course, you can also get a view of the ocean. The very main reason guys na you should try light ferry is because it is very spacious guys. Meron kang own privacy dahil meron silang bunk bed. And look at that, ang daming space and ang daming room for everyone. Hindi lang yan ang exciting part guys, meron din silang TV and aircon. Sobrang makaka-relax ka talaga if nandun ka. And of course, they also have a canteen area na makakabili ka ng chips and anything na snacks na gusto mo. Of course guys, gusto talaga natin yung comfort every time na magta-travel tayo. So what are you waiting for guys? You should try light ferry and have a comfortable trip. Bye!